beautiful sunset out here. Really cool. Cars are passing by. And the beautiful neighborhoods. The nice breeze. Woo, feel bumpy. So everyone that's watching this video, take a deep breath in.
There's a bus, city bus.
Oh, city bus. And a deep breath out. Do that 5 times and that would relax you a lot. In and out. In and out. In and out. In and out. So you should do it 5 times. Gets you calm down. Beautiful city light. The cars are passing by. Nice breeze out here. Woo. Sunset's beautiful. There's a lot of oranges and blues. Still really beautiful. There's a lot of airplanes. We got a beautiful nature. Back rooms. That building always has empty rooms that are just black with a lot of exit signs. Yeah. Creeps me out the most. Beautiful L. Ooh. Oh, that's little bumpy. Oh, that's really bumpy.
How's it going?
Good.
All right.
Oh, yeah. Really beautiful day. Or night. Whatever you like to call it. Oh, really beautiful.
Do you still have battery?
Yeah. It's really awesome. Nice breeze out here. I love Beatles tonight.
Let's go see their clean ice cream man.
Yeah, let's see. Let's check out the movie theater. Ooh, pause. And Spider-Man, a brand new day. Ooh, Toy Story. That's a good
Ice
one.
cream man up?
Aw.
See this ice cream shop near it.
Ice cream shop. Water park right there. Water's really nice.
Continue our journey.
Whoa!
Where's an entrance to the gate in the back?
I don't know.
Maybe over here, Marriott.
Maybe.
Ready for the speed bump?
Oh, speed bump. Oh! I thought it was gonna be Warsaw.
Than that?
Yeah.
So,
Hello.
hello. Ready?
Buddy. I thought I was gonna jump like really hard. Like, whoop. Beautiful river, beautiful sky. Whoa. Ooh. That's so awesome.
If it gets too dark, you can stop recording.
Ooh, it's getting pretty dark.
Bass Pro Shop next.
Ooh, Bass Pro Shop. I always love Bass Pro Shop. It's cool. Ooh,
Ready?
big bump. Oh. Whoa. Oh, that's cool.
So
Whoa.
we could go down this curve right here.
Oh.
Ready? This is dangerous.
Oh. Oh. I thought it was gonna be like bumps and like crazy turns. But it was just over dramatic. Oh. Man, this is awesome. Woo-wee. Whoa, duck. Huh. Whoa, this is fun. A lot of airplanes. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, that was cool.
Got a duck right here next.
Everyone that's watching duck. Oh. That was a close call.
How much memory do you have left?
20
It's
seconds.
dying out.
20 seconds.
How many minutes?
20.
I can't see.
So that was our trip, guys. I hope you liked it, and bye bye, and Have a wonderful weekend. Peace out.